Welcome back to South Fork Lighting. Today I'm in our beautiful new dining room in the Cape Girardeau location. So we've recently painted the walls this beautiful pewter by Benjamin Moore, and then we wanted to make it feel like a dining room that you would see in a home to really make it look like something that you can just take everything and really visualize it in your space. So if you are building a new home or a restaurant or a business, we can bring you in here and show you tons of cool can lights, everything from an MR16 to your regular BR30 floodlight to a shower can, and show you what it's going to look like here, but then bring it to your home and make it very functional. But I have to talk about the fun thing. So you know that we just came back from market, and literally weekly stuff is arriving and coming in, and we're unpacking it and going through it. So one of my favorite new things are these gorgeous chairs. They are in a grayish blue tone wood, but then they have this gorgeous chartreuse and cream pattern on them where it is a little bit springy, and it's just a nice pop of color and can really bring in some vibrancy and some really nice texture and pattern to your dining room. And this new dining table, it has a Greek key pattern around the base. It's in a silver leaf, but as you know, we mix metals all the time, so it would go with golds as well as woods and different silver finishes. But it is nice because it's a 6-seater, and you can put 4 chairs or 6 chairs at it to really suit your needs specifically. We also have these beautiful new sconces on both sides of our dining room. On this side, we went with the Christorama sconce. It's a single light sconce to complement this beautiful 6-light chandelier. So it's shown in silver leaf, but it is available in an English bronze. So if you're looking to add light colors or dark colors, we can do it either way, and it comes in multiple sizes. So if you need a 2-light sconce, or maybe a 12-light chandelier, or a 4-light chandelier if you're looking for something smaller, we can really tailor it to your needs and make it fit your space specifically to your home. The other thing, on the opposite side of our dining room, we have these gorgeous new Sputnik sconces. They're this beautiful chrome finish with lots of crystal, and they each have 3 candelabra lamps on them, and they're just a really fun, whimsical, kind of a throwback to mid-century modern, but we're making it work in today's space. And then we also have new mirrors and new fire screens. So all the time people come to us and want fire screens that are beautiful and really decorative, and we actually have those now. So you don't just have to leave a bare fireplace. We have all these cool new ones that are here and even more arriving. If you are in any stage of your home, whether you're doing new construction or you're wrapping up things and you just want to bring in the soft finishes to make it reflect your personality, come check us out at South Fork Lighting, because we have new stuff here and new stuff arriving weekly.